Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about 10 completely random products that you need to buy from Amazon right now. I'm not going to give you a very long boring introduction while giving you a long boring introduction, but anyways, let's get started. Also guys, I have a knee injury. It is such an awkward position that I'm sitting in right now. My back is paining. But we're gonna power through this. Just before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're watching my face, hello, I am Jovita George. Take a second to click that red subscribe button just underneath this video so you can watch more such videos. And also, by the end of this video, if you like this video, do not forget to click that like button, okay? Alrighty then, let's get started. Wow, I've got so many exciting things over here. I don't even know where to start with. You know what? Let me just start from what's sitting right on top. Guys, reusable cotton rounds. When you use your micellar water or your toner or whatever, the number of cotton pads that we use is enormous, and that is one of the reasons that I stopped using micellar water way back in the day. If you've watched my video of 10 things you need to stop buying, you know, I'll put that. I just didn't want to use that much cotton pads, and when I discovered this, guys, these are just made of bamboo or something. Basically they're reusable, they are organic, bamboo and cotton, I'm not really sure. I'll link them down below, but they come in a set of 12, 16, whatever you want, and they also come in a little wash bag. So in this I have all my used cotton rounds. These are my washed and fresh cotton rounds. I mean, sometimes they do stain. I really don't mind, and I have bought from two sellers. One was better than the other, so I will list down the better seller for you. Oh, by the way, here's a tip for you. Before you chuck this into your washing machine, I would recommend putting a little bit of dish soap in it, like scrub it with your fingers in the bag. You know, I've already got dirty ones inside, and rinse it off, put a little bit of dish soap and let it soak for a couple of hours, and then just toss it into the washer, and that will get rid of most of the makeup stains. Number two, still sticking on the reusable things, guys. I have spoken about this particular thing already in an older video, which I will link right here, but I like it so much that I have to mention it again. Guys, this is the steel straws. I have a set of 4 over here, and these sets usually come with something to clean it as well, so you don't have to worry about how to clean your steel straws. And they also come with a carry bag, so you can pop them in your bag when you go out. If you are planning to get a juice, couple of drinks, carry your own steel straw. And when I say that this actually feels very fancy, trust me, it does. In Kerala, plastic is banned, so we don't have plastic straws anymore, so it's only paper straws here in Kerala. That definitely is a better route, but if you can avoid anything reusable, that still is better, you know. So these are so cheap as well, so get yourself a pack of these steel straws, guys. I will link them down below, so making your life easier. By the way, I have to say that this video is not sponsored by anyone. No one knows that I'm making this video even, you know. Anyways, number 3 that you need to get. Aren't you tired of wearing slippery footwear and always like placing each of your steps really carefully? I am. And also, I love pretty shoes. If it doesn't have grip, it's no go for me. I will not buy pretty shoes if it has slippery sole. And also, I'm really clumsy, guys. I'm always falling, as I have an injured knee. Like, I've been in bed for over a month now. It's no joke, you guys. But anyways, coming to my point, you can buy your own grip for the sole of your shoe. You do get these shoe grips in Aldo and Nine West and all those, but I find them a little too expensive. So you can make your own shoe grip. Now, these are called the anti-slip tapes, and these are designed for stairs so that you don't slip off of a stair. What I realized is these make perfect shoe grips. I've used it in a couple of my shoes and sandals which have zero grip, but it is all the way out there with my back and leg. I can't I can't go and get it. It comes in a nice well protected tape, which I tape back to keep it nice and well protected. I am that Indian auntie. I definitely am that Indian auntie. And this is basically really gritty sandpaper. You can basically measure a small strip and stick this on the sole of your foot. I also like to put it on the heel of the foot if it is a pair of flat sandals, and if it is a pair of pumps or high heels, just on the sole is enough. But this sticky pad is not sticky enough. It'll come off if you just stick this on. So I bought a super glue. So this is the Locite 401 instant adhesive. Once you stick this on with this on the sole of your foot, guys, it's not going anywhere. It's stuck for life. And what I like about this particular glue is that it sticks instantly. You just have to give it like 5 minutes. It's stuck. And for this 5-meter tape, I paid just like 500 rupees. So if you had to buy individual anti-slip, like each one of those would probably cost you like 800 rupees or something, or 900. I don't know. It's pretty expensive. So you can you can anti-grip a lot of shoes with this whole tape and this glue. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I love it, guys. I love it. I told you this is gonna be completely random, guys. Next up on my list, I have organic cotton, fully biodegradable tampons. Now, did you know that there are a lot of bad chemicals and bleaching agents and all of those things in your regular tampon? As it is, I never buy tampons with applicators because they are unnecessary plastic wastage that is just filling up our landfills and the earth. So I buy tampons without applicators, and this particular one, there are so many brands of biodegradable, fully organic cotton tampons. That's what you need to get. I've never found them in grocery stores here, so I just buy them off of Amazon. If you are interested in the brand that I use, it's called Masmi Natural Cotton, and you have to buy the Super or the Super Plus version because these for some reason are smaller than your regular tampons, but they work really well, you guys. They are just slightly more expensive, but they are natural. They're not gonna harm your body. It's not gonna harm the environment. All in all, I don't mind paying that extra price for something that's better for my body and better for the world. Having said this, I know that the Diva cup or, you know, one of those reusable menstrual cups are the best way to go. The best way because they're reusable. Mentally, I'm just not there, guys. I'm just too scared to try one. So if you have tried a menstrual cup and you like it, please leave encouraging comments down below. For all you know, I will man up and give it a try. As of today, I'm really scared about it. Next up, pop sockets. Guys, I thought this is a pretty much given standard. Everybody knows about it, has it kind of a thing. But every time I meet a new friend, they're like, what is that thing on your phone? And I'm like, it's a pop socket. Don't you know what that is? Okay. Let's demonstrate, right? So this button on the back of my phone is called a pop socket. You can pop it out, you slip your fingers in there, and your phone is never gonna fall out of your hand. You can, like, you know, watch movies. It's never gonna fall on your face. You know, this is so essential. I have the iPhone 6s, so it's a pretty old phone. It's much smaller than today's phone. Guys, I do not buy anything that I do not need, and I'll use it until it's broken, okay? This socket has saved my phone. It has never fallen out of my hand, you know. Yeah, enough explanation, I guess. I've already gotten a new pop socket for the next phone I'm gonna buy. But that's how much I love pop sockets, and this has such a cute design. Yeah. Pop sockets. While we're on the phone accessories section, let me also talk about this particular thing that is stuck on the back of my phone. This is not a mirror, it's just a piece of metal that is stuck on my phone because this is a part of a magnetic phone holder that I have stuck on my car. So if you drive cars, guys, it is so unsafe to plonk your phone somewhere on the side, especially if you use Google Maps a lot. So it's best to like stick your phone somewhere where you can, like, you know, non-dangerously have vision of the phone and what's on the phone. So when you have a magnetic holder, you don't have cables, you don't have to like fiddle with like all those, you know, the standard kind of phone holders that have suction. They stick on the window, but they pop off while you're driving, and you have to fiddle with, you know, putting it in, putting it out. When you have a magnetic phone holder, you just throw the phone on your magnet and you take it when you want to get out. It just, I cannot show you the other part of this magnet because my car is in Kuwait. I'm in India, been here for a while, but I'll try to pop some pictures over here for you to show you what exactly it looks like. Next up, guys, you might be wondering, what is this device she's holding up? This is a belt hole puncher. Now, how many times I've bought a belt of wrong size and then I go in with safety pins and knives and try to create a really disgusting hole in there? Otherwise, I have to go like to a store and get a hole punched, and it's just too much. And when you can get this just for 300-400 rupees from Amazon and keep it in your house, oh my god, life is so easy. And you can punch holes on paper, on bags, on straps, on belts. Like, I feel like I'm a salesperson for this. I'm not, but this is, I feel, a must-have in every household. I love it. I even got this thing free. This is to, I don't know the word for it. Like, you can put like nice gold rims on the hole that you made, so it looks professional. It doesn't look like you were sitting at home and doing this to your belt. It just looks so nice. It's just, these guys should start giving me commission. They should give me a sales job or something, because I'm really gonna sell this. On the same line, guys, I have another little thingy over here, and this is to create buttons on your clothes. So the last time I did a Shein haul, there was this one green top that kept popping off in the center and, exposing. So I had to take it to a tailor, and the tailor put in some hooks in between so that, it would stay closed. If I had this at that time, I could install buttons just by pressing them on within seconds, all on my own. So you can do it on clothes, once again on bags, on wherever you wanna attach buttons. So easy. And when you buy this, you get the buttons free as well. And also, once you run out of this free set, buttons are so inexpensive on Amazon. Like, instead of buying 500,000 highlighters, get one of this. Like, so useful in your daily life. You know what I'm saying? Next up, I have this puppy right here. It looks so weird when I put it on. This is a silk bonnet. Now, when we sleep, right, I'm sure most of us put our hair in a ponytail and we go to sleep, and then we toss, we turn, we have dreams, and we wake up and you see a lot of fallen hair, fallen soldiers on your pillow. That's because there's a lot of friction between the hair and the pillow every time we move in our sleep. So that is causing a lot of breakage and hair loss. So there we have the silk bonnet. So once you put this on your head and then go to sleep, guys, not like this, but you tuck in all your hair. You don't even have to tie it up into a ponytail. You can just stuff all your hair inside. And because it's silk, it'll keep the frizz away. So one, you'll have frizz-free hair. And two, you will have lesser breakage while you're sleeping. And three, because of the ponytail, we all have some stress hair loss as well. When the ponytail yanks on your hair, that's gonna be gone as well. So this, all in all, is such a must-have, I feel, for hair. The reason that I bought this particular one is because this is reversible and it has silk on both sides. When I was shopping for a silk bonnet on Amazon, I saw that a lot of them had silk on the outside, but it was, when I say silk, I meant satin. Satin or silk, okay? Anything that's smooth. They had satin on the outside and they were just like regular as cloth in the inside. So when you get a bonnet, get one that is reversible and that has silk or satin on the inside. It doesn't matter what it looks like on the outside. And finally, number 10, I have reusable silicone stretchy lids. Now this I bought specifically for my cat food, not my cat food, the cat food that I give my cats, because they all come in one of those pop-off metallic lid, and once you pop them off, it's just exposed, the container is exposed. So this comes in a set of 10 or 12 different sizes of stretchy silicone lid. So you can stretch it and put it on, you can wash it, put it in the dishwasher, you can clean it however you want. Silicone is better than plastic. Yeah, so I brought a peanut butter jar. Excuse that. From all of this, get a size that fits your jar, and then you just need to pop it on top. That's it. The food is gonna stay fresh. A peanut butter jar comes with the lid, but there are so many things that you don't have a lid for. You can just cover it up with this instead of using cling wrap or aluminium sheet. If you have half-eaten oranges or half-eaten watermelons, you can even cover like the open side with this. That's amazing. That's amazing. My back is killing me just in time because we are done with this video. So let me know, what of these products are you gonna get, and are there any other things that you feel is a must have in every household? Comment down below and maybe I'll include them in my next Amazon must-haves. Is this video a must-have? What did you think about the video? Let me know as well down in the comment section below. And while you're scrolling down, when you see that thumbs up button, smash it. Smash it. I'm sure you liked this video if you are still watching, right? Also, guys, just in case you like this makeup tutorial, this eye makeup will be on my Instagram very, very soon. So yeah, catch me over there on Instagram, Jovita George. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you so much. I shall see you in my next one, and bye.